Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. Y'all already know what time it is. It's Taeyang. It's Taeyang time, bro. We're gonna check out the album. Probably on my Patreon. This is gonna be up for free. Live Fast, Die Slow. Now, we saw the trailer of this. And I did peek the album a little bit on my Twitch stream. Follow me on my Twitch stream if you haven't already. Y'all already know I gotta be here for Taeyang. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. I've been watching Taeyang for like, what, over a decade? That's crazy to me. You know me?
He's famous on YouTube.
What? Look like he fell down from heaven. He looked like that Mr. Bean intro. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Dang. Motorcycle with fire around it as a cowboy? Yo, hello, partner. Good evening. Damn, he got the leather on leather. Oh! Who's that old man? Damn, he looks so cool. He looks so cool.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Buck. Duck. Wait, you might inspire me to dye my hair blonde. I'm not gonna lie. Call me Big Ben. I didn't know he was gonna speed up like that. What? Hey. He did the whole little. Look back at it. Oh. A panther? Play the game. Drink the pain. You got man in the mirror looking. Oh. You got. Hey. That life. 3, 4. 8. I want it all. Did he really be like what did he say? The world still won't stop for me. Oh. Time is a factor. You still dreaming as back then. I love his 3 earrings, by the way. Oh, it's 2 people. I just realized. Wait, is it? Yeah. Oh my God. Why did I not notice this? This one has his hair back. This one his hair is up. Hey, I'm in the rodeo. Hey, shout out to the dancers. Oh, it's gonna spin faster, right?
Nope.
I'm always gonna show you love, Taeyang. You just know that. You know that. That's my bias right there, bro. I saw that in the trailer. I thought that was a fire shot. Bah. No, nah. Ooh, that was fire. Would it use the dancers or the runners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Wait. Sorry, I'm gonna be doing this. Listen, if this annoys you, and me pausing and talking over this annoys you, go watch the music video. Go stream this ish. You already know. Oh, it's different. Like he's going aggressive against someone else. Whoa. I want it all. Oh. That's a fake panther, no? I want it all. Oh man, I can't wait to listen to the album. It's gonna be up on my Patreon for free. Go check it out. Link in the description. Hey. Hit that button. Ooh, okay, he look good. The teaser only showed that part actually. Well, shout out to everybody that worked on this. I just got an email that Taeyang just released his album. You know damn well we're gonna be checking it out. Let's go. Let's run it back one more time. Again, that circle in a track, it's like a race. This is crazy of a shot too. Like modern kind of like horse is a motorcycle. Who is his stylist? Fire shot as well. Interesting. It's very artistic. As I open my eyes, it's a comeback. It is. Also, happy birthday to Taeyang, by the way. I do. Call me Big Bang. Let me see that one more time. As I open my eyes, come back. Man, they racing for real. Dozens, no hundreds of times that you missed that. Okay, he talking. Head in blue. I'm flying above, they running below. Talk that, talk that, talk that. You know. Dang, I like how he starts that. He's still dreamy as back then. Damn. That's a crazy. The little No and I. 2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 hey. I want it all. 1, 2, 3, 4. He looks good. Listen, I know he's always gonna have a shirtless moment, but he look good in there. He keep fit. Let's go, Taeyang. My king. Crazy. With the knife, like just twirling, just seeing the image of him on there too. I like this shot too, the way they set this up. Could be like almost a performance film too. Are these actually all like Taeyang? Like, is this Taeyang? Or is it like different like stand-ins? I think they're different stand-ins, right? It might be. Because this hair is a little bit different than this hair. But they're all interesting. Hey, raise your cup. Show him love. You better show him love. You better show this video love too. Like this video. I really wonder if he's ever gonna have another music video too. If this is the only music video, I hope there's a second one. Ooh, okay, dance your ish. 3, 4. Cause in this one, look, sorry, I'm like analyzing it right now. It seems like I see the reflection of somebody else here a little bit. No, I don't know if y'all see that. I want it all. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that was fire. That was fire. The whole like all Taeyangs right there. I mean, this Taeyang. I'm not talking about this one, but this one's dope too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang, that's a lot of Taeyangs. I want it all. Hey, hey. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, 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 hey. And he's just watching the race too. He looked dope here. He looked dope here. Dang. Directed by Alex Gargot. Produced by Canada? Produced by Canada? Is that like the whole country? What? Or like that's their name? Like, go check out the music video. Link in the description down below. Go check out the album. I'm about to check it out on Patreon. I'm going to upload that for free. Go follow my Patreon if you haven't already. I'll be uploading bits and pieces here on YouTube as well. But yeah, be sure to follow the Patreon. Catch me on Twitch. Follow me on Instagram at Just Remember Every Day. TikTok at Just Remember Every Day. And I'll see you guys till next time, all right? Oh, look at the ending. I didn't even see the ending right here. It's like burning up. Oh, they need to turn that off. All right, y'all. Till next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.